Hey guys, so here's the update regarding my brake light. It looks like it's some sort of module. This is what it looks like. I just didn't pull this out in the original video because it felt like it was like stuck to something under where it was, but this is what it looks like. So I can install the other light, it looks like, but yeah, this is what was under there. No idea what it is. Anyway guys, so I got the dealer to replace the light because I had to go in for the, there's a recall for the Type RAs and the 19 Plus STIs. Something to do with the reverse camera and brake lights, I think. Something with reverse. But anywho, I went to go get that done. And I had them replace this. So let's see if they did. Yep, looks... Yep, there it goes, one piece. So, I mean, I could have installed the new one anyways, because as you guys saw before, it was just a self-contained module that was spliced into the single wire. But, you know, I had them replace it anyways because they shouldn't have done that. So here, I'm gonna put the new one in. So here we are with the new one. Same thing, just backwards. Put this in there. And slide that forward. I think. That should be it. Is it? Let's see. Looks raised a little bit on one side. Is it raised? Do you guys see that? What am I doing wrong? What's going on? That. There it goes. Don't know what I did different, but forgot we have to plug this in. Here's the cable, and then there's the plug. Let's see. Goes in right there. All right, now cue the bad footage.